Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on the Generate Memory from History option in the Claude app on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the App Store and search for the Claude app. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version, because some settings may not appear if you are using an older version. Once the app is updated, simply open the Claude app on your phone. After opening the app, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. From here, tap on your profile to open your account settings. Now look for the Capabilities option and tap on it. Here, you will find an option called Generate Memory from History. Simply turn this option on, and Claude will be able to generate memories based on your previous chat history and interactions. And that's basically it. That is how you can enable the Generate Memory from History feature in the Claude app on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon in the next video.